else can do. In the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found in you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, and how much we had, I've always been